ह्यूमन नर्वस सिस्टम, तो हमें थोड़ा सा समझने की ज़रूरत है कि इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट human nervous system, it is basically divided into three types. Okay, very first is CNS, second one is PNS, and the third one is autonomic nervous system. Okay, so CNS is central nervous system. C stands for central nervous system. PNS is peripheral nervous system, and the third one is autonomic nervous system. Now if we talk about CNS, central nervous system, it contains brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. Now peripheral nervous system, the nerves which are coming from brain, so this is known as cranial nerves and spinal nerves. So the nerves which are coming from brain and spinal cord, they are forming PNS or peripheral nervous system. So this is cranial nerves, spinal nerves. Autonomic nervous system, it is parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. Okay, so these are the types of means these are the parts of human nervous system. Let's start with the very first one, that is central nervous system, and through this very first part which is known as brain. So brain, if we talk about, it is a control center of our body, and it is present in a bony apparatus or bony thing which is present in our head, जो उसका सेव करता है, that is known as cranium, or also we can say skull. So it is present in the bony thing which is known as cranium. Okay, and it is covered by, if I'm, this is the human brain. This is human brain. So it has covered by or it is protected by inside the skull, or known as cranium, a bony box in which the brain feel present, and the major function is to protect. Then it is known as cranium, and it has layers present outside. ठीक है, उसकी जो membrane present होती है brain के बाहर, which is known as meninges. And if any infection occur in this brain covering या brain की lining में जो present होता है, उसमें यदि कोई infection होता है, उसको बोलते हैं meningitis. Okay, so the covering of the brain, we have layers outside the brain which is known as meninges. So वो कौन कौन सी होती है? It is known as dura mater, pia mater and arachnoid. ठीक है, so dura mater, pia mater and arachnoid, these are the layers which are present in brain. So dura mater, it is the outermost. Pia mater, it is the innermost. And arachnoid, it is present in between both of them. Okay, so dura mater is the outermost, pia mater is the innermost, and in between arachnoid is present. And other than that, they have a gap between them in which a fluid is present which is known as cerebrospinal fluid. And this cerebrospinal fluid, the major function of cerebrospinal fluid is to it's a shock absorber. कभी छोटे बच्चे एकदम से गिर जाते हैं या हम भी गिर जाते हैं, तो हमारा ब्रेन एकदम से अफेक्ट नहीं होता, कोई मेजर एक्सीडेंट होता है इन विच द इंजरी इज टू मच, then only our brain is suffering. Otherwise there is no problem, because it is a shock absorber. एकदम से झटका लग जाना, गिर जाना या कुछ स्लिप हो जाना, so the shock absorber is cerebrospinal fluid, and we have 3 layers to protect brain. Again I am repeating, it is present inside the bony covering which is known as cranium. Okay, and it has 3 layers which are known as dura mater, pia mater, arachnoid. Dura mater is the outermost, pia mater is the innermost, and arachnoid is present in between of it. 3 layers are there, and in between there is a gap which is known as cerebrospinal fluid. Now this cerebrospinal fluid basically a shock absorber. Same way spinal cord. Spinal cord is also present in a bony covering which is known as vertebral column. Okay, and it is also protection of a spinal cords by which they are protected in our body. ओके, अब चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। अब पढ़ते हैं ब्रेन। व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ ब्रेन? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ब्रेन। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द ब्रेन? Now brain is basically divided into 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. अब फोर ब्रेन है विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द फ्रंट, आगे जो प्रेजेंट है। मिड ब्रेन बीच वाला पार्ट, हिंड ब्रेन पीछे वाला पार्ट। ना फोर ब्रेन इज ऑल्सो फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू पार्ट्स विच इज नोन एज cerebrum, which is the most, means we can say it's the biggest part of the brain, सबसे बड़ा पार्ट होता है। एंड इट इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 हेमिस्फीयर, ऐसे 2 हेमिस्फीयर से बना रहता है ये, दिस इज, and this 2 hemispheres are present in this, and it is connected by corpus callosum. दोनों 2 हेमिस्फीयर्स ऐसे जुड़े रहते हैं which is made by which is connected by corpus callosum. अब इसमें बहुत सारी लोब्स प्रेजेंट होती है फोर ब्रेन में। फ्रंटल लोब, पेराइटल लोब, टेम्पोरल लोब and occipital lobe, and each lobe has different function. And the last one is hypothalamus. So these are all the parts of forebrain. Cerebrum is the biggest part. Okay. Occipital lobe for vision. It works for vision. Temporal work for the sensation and all, thinking and all. So there are different lobes that are present. If we talk about cerebrum, the main function of cerebrum is voluntary actions, to control voluntary action. Hypothalamus की बात करें तो hypothalamus control anger. It is responsible for hunger, anger. These all controlled by hypothalamus. Midbrain, and another name of forebrain is known as prosencephalon. Okay, prosencephalon. Ab now come to midbrain. Midbrain is known as mesencephalon, and its major function to make a connection between forebrain and hindbrain. दोनों के बीच में कनेक्शन बनाने का काम जो है that is midbrain is doing. Now come to hindbrain. It has cerebellum. Cerebellum is responsible for all involuntary action of our body. It has pons and it has medulla oblongata. Okay, so cerebral all involuntary action, cerebrum all voluntary action. Other than that, for posture, for balancing also cerebellum is responsible. So these are the major parts of the brain: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain is divided into cerebrum, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, frontal lobe and temporal lobes, hypothalamus. Midbrain basically makes connection between forebrain and hindbrain. Hindbrain is again divided into cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. Now this medulla oblongata making a connection between brain and spinal cord. ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के बीच में जो कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश होता है, दिस इज डन बाय मेड्यूला ऑब्लोगेंटा. सो दीज आर द बेसिक पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्रेन.